Hey guys, what's up? This is Booking Bronco with another Booksy Biz tutorial. So today we are going to be looking at the third video in the bundled services series that I'm doing this week. The video today is going to be on packages, which the setup is very similar to the previous video on memberships. The main difference between packages and memberships is that a membership is going to offer unlimited access to a certain service over a certain time period, as opposed to a package is only going to offer a certain service for a set number of times. That will make more sense, but if you're interested in memberships as well, you can check out the previous episode. Today is going to be on the packages. As always, full disclosure, I'm a full-time employee of Booksy as of the time of this recording, but this YouTube channel is my own personal project and is not affiliated with or sponsored by Booksy. So the views and opinions I express here are strictly my own and do not reflect the positions, views, or opinions of Booksy. That being said, let's get right into it, guys. So we're in the mobile app here, profile, settings, and the bundle services inside the mobile app have their own menus. So we are going to go down to packages, and sure enough, just like memberships, it's only available on the web app on the browser. So what are we going to do? Let's pull up the web app, and we're going to go to the left-hand side, gift cards and bundled services. I'm already on this page here, and you're going to see bottom right is packages. I did create a test package earlier, but let's add a new one. You're going to see that I am going to name this beard package, and it's going to be 5 shaves for the month. So I'm going to put this at $70. It expires after 30 days, after, just like I said, the month. Tax rate's free. And then when I'm going to go in here, just going to select beard, and I'm going to do beard shave. Select that, and you can see, as opposed to memberships, which it just had these services, this is going to give me a quantity. So if I wanted to say, hey, you can buy this package, it's valid for however long, never, end of year, end of month, you have a lot of different options here, and then you set the quantity. So it's basically saying what service, how many of it are included in the package, and then how long it's valid for. You can, like I said, you can even set to never, and then you click save. And it's really that easy. So in the case of this one with the beard package, imagine someone wants to say, hey, I come in here pretty often. Can you offer me, a package where I can come maybe like 6 times over the next 2 months, something like that? That's the whole idea. You kind of cut them a deal, and then you get the package and they pay up front. That's the whole idea. For checkout, guys, how do you sell this? So what you're going to do is you go in here to checkout. I'm quite certain, let me do a quick test here, but I'm pretty sure you're not actually able to. All right, let me get in here. I'm pretty sure you're not actually able to sell these inside the mobile app, because I've been looking, and yeah, you're not really given as much options. You see here on the web app how many more options you have inside of the checkout. So that's definitely going to be the same. I didn't cover this in the membership video yesterday, but it applies just the same. If you're going to be doing checkout of these items, you're going to need to be inside of the web app. So if it were the memberships, you'd go here. In this case, we're looking at packages. So you would just come here, beard package, add to cart, and assign client name, whatever. Add to cart. Let me try that again. And assign sale. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. So what did we look at today? We're looking at packages. Like I said, it's not available inside of the mobile app, not only to manage, but also to sell. So if you're looking to set it up, you got to go to the web app / browser. And if you're looking to sell it, same idea. Web app or browser. So that's everything for today, guys. We're almost wrapped up with the bundle services series. Tomorrow, I'll be looking at the loyalty program, so stamp type thing. I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. That does help me. If you're thinking of subscribing to Booksy Biz, you can use my referral link in the description below to get 50% off your first 2 months. And besides that, as always, appreciate your time. We'll see you on the next one.